This is the very, 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 very top now. Just have a look around you.
We made it! Yay! Wouldn't have done it without a tour guide there, the Abang in the blue one.
We are at 1.5 kilometers.
Yeah?
It's not sunny, which is actually good. But even though it's not sunny, it's still hot enough, still warm enough just for the t-shirt. Now it's the first time that we get a view of the area. Let's have a look down here. Clouds are coming in. It's not too hard. My heart is beating. It's alright.
Wow.
We are in a group of 4 people plus a tour guide, 2 couples. Quite fun. And we always stick together. So every 500 meters kind of we wait for each other and then we continue together. Every 500 meters or something like that, there are those small shacks. You can sit. There's a toilet if you need a rest. But you don't always need to rest. Just depends on your group. We're now at 3 kilometers. Not easy. It's alright. We should get to our lunch point soon. It's getting more foggy. But it's no problem for us. For us only counts the next few meters. Get the next few meters done.
1,000 steps.
Yeah. 12,000 meters.
No, 7,000 steps today. That's a lot. Listen, I want to finish my
We now reached the official lunch point.
It's 11:40. I can show you the time.
Just in time. Quite tired, but not crazy exhausted.
Yeah.
I don't know how people wear like hot pants, like wow, I want a long trousers and I feel perfectly fine. Probably it's going to be time soon for a rain jacket. But that's not happening. There are probably like 5 or 6 groups here right now, sitting with our group, 4 of us. Now we stopped climbing stairs, instead we are climbing rocks. It's the last kilometers to the front. I think we are doing alright, but we are not unhappy when we reach 700 meters till we reach our destination. There are some interesting trees out here, I have to say. I think this last 700 meters should go well. It's the last sprint, using the last energy, then we rest. We are now in a different environment again, just 600 meters more. It's green again, I like it. Maybe I see a snake, who knows. We are going slow. I have a bit of headache. We arrived at the Pandan Hut and I'm dead.
I'm tired, but I'm not crazy dead. I'm fine. I'm still alright.
The thing is, my feet are fine, my legs are fine, but I just have sickness.
Let's eat the medicine now. Yeah?
So we now rest for 1.5 hours, then we have the meeting, then we have a dinner from which I will eat nothing anyway. And then we sleep.
Yeah. So let's go out and get some. Should I get some water for you? Can you eat?
Canva.
Okay.
So now the big question is that view worth all the hassle that I had, all the problems that I had, all the struggles that I had? And I think this is quite an amazing view that we have here. I'm feeling better now. Not perfect, but better. So now I can enjoy being on top of the world. It's now 6:20. It's raining, as you can hear. And it's time to sleep. I have to wake up at 1:30 again. How are you? I'm sorry that I haven't taken videos in the rest of the hike up. I just feel terrible. I have mountain sickness. My body is fine, my legs are fine, everything is fine. I just feel like poking. Oh my goodness, we made it to the top. I'm just exhausted. I now found my wife at the very top. It's quite beautiful, I hope you can see it.
No, you show it there. No, hit it up with it.
I should eat, but I don't feel like eating. I should drink, but I don't feel like drinking. I just hope going down the sickness will go away. This is the very, very, very top now. Just have a look around you.
We made it! Yay! Wouldn't have done it without a tour guide there, the buying the blue one.
We are now on the descent. Since a few minutes I just threw up, and that was a good thing. I now feel a lot better after throwing up. I was like, but it wasn't much. I was mostly like without much coming out because there's not much in my stomach. But now I feel a lot better, so I hope that I will have a good descent. You can see it's really beautiful here. Now I can really enjoy the view actually when not feeling sick. We are now almost at the hut again. I threw up twice on the way down just now. But that was good because after throwing up I feel a lot better. My wife is right now descending. I can't wait to be back at the hut. We made it back to the base camp. Now having some food, some liquid food, but other than that it doesn't really go into my stomach.
The smashed potato.
Yeah, maybe I take some smashed potato. Now all the clouds are coming in again, so the view is gone. We will have to wear some thicker clothes again after the really nice sun before. But I am quite positive, in a positive mood that we will make it well down without getting sick again. Now we are on the way down and it's pretty comfortable, pretty easy, pretty fun. Should only take us around 4 hours. We are halfway through. That's probably the easiest part of the whole travel. I really love this fogginess in this rainforest. Like, it makes it look so nice. But unfortunately, I mean, we are trying to go down as fast as possible, so we don't really have the time to see the beautiful nature. But if you want, and you want to take the time to see the nice nature, then there's a lot to see here. This is probably one of the prettiest places on this hike.
Are you sure?
Looking down left and right,
Yeah,
No, I actually like this place more because I feel better. Those are the last few steps until we can call ourselves successful climbers. Checkpoint 1. Back at checkpoint 1.